Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to repair the corrupted Word document with Word Repair Tuner. When you open a Word document and it says there is unreadable content in Word, how can you recover the document content? Here, you can learn the guide to restoring the original content from a damaged document with Cocosenor Word Repair Tuner. Cocosenor Word Repair Tuner is a professional word recovery tool that can restore the original content from damaged DOCX files. You can download and install it from Cocosenor.com. Before we go ahead, make sure the Microsoft Word document is closed. Now open the software and click the Open button to add the corrupted DOCX file to repair. Soon, the damaged Word file is recovered. You can click the Save button to save it on your computer. After that, open the file to have a check. That's all. Thanks for watching.